So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and this is Daphne, and today we are going to be building my vanity. As you can see, my husband already is starting to organize the screws this morning here. I haven't showered yet.
You stink.
Gago. So yeah, we're gonna build the vanities, and if you haven't seen my IKEA trip, just watch the part 1. I will link it here or in the description box.
Don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe.
Yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Just comment a lot.
Yep, so my husband is now starting to do my vanity, and of course I prepared him some coffee. Got some coffee here.
Oh good, she does something.
Oh, the coffee is so good. I need to decongest. What are you doing now? So we're starting first with the first step, which is setting up the screws, and my husband was able to do that.
So yeah, what tool are you using?
Specifically, screwdriver.
Okay, screwdriver.
Phillips head screwdriver, number 2.
Okay.
Or in this case, for the fancy schmancy people who have to know exactly what their tool is, this is a PZ2. It's reinforced.
He is just placing some screws inside. Okay, I'm not screws. This is what it's called.
Okay guys, so we are on to the last drawer finally. Okay guys, so our vanity desk is done. So that's 2 Alex drawers and then 1 leg, and then this is an impressions vanity mirror. There it is. It's so bright. We got this from TJ Maxx. Oh, my husband got it from TJ Maxx for only $129. And now our vanity is all set. Thank you to my husband. Okay, so watch me for part 3 on how I organize my makeups on the drawers, and of course, like, you know, setting it all up. And yeah, so please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again on my part 3. Yeah, so comment if my husband is awesome. Yay!